Yo, dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So, today we're going to be looking at some BTS unboxings. Let's get to it. Alright, let's see what we're going to get to today. Alright, we got the fifth muster today. Excellent. I'm excited about this one. I just saw they're getting ready to release the Japanese one. So, it's from Busan, June 2019 in Seoul. The musters are always so fun. So in the musters are for fans, for ARMY directly. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. Musters are for ARMY directly, and so they wear more outfits. It's a much more fun style of concert, you know. They're more happy-go-lucky, trying to have fun, being silly. And they always have little skits and things, and just a lot of fun. The musters are so fun to watch. I always recommend getting the musters. They are some of my favorites. They're just having a good time with ARMY. So this one's really cool. It's got the actual kind of shop. Ooh, into the magic shop. Let's check that out. What do we got here? We got the boys in front of the magic shop. Oh, this is the invitation, I see. Got the track list. This looks cool too. Looks really cool. Kind of like the Brady Bunch or something. There's a story of a man named Jungkook. Jungkook's the guest. Manager Jimin. Dr. J-Hope. Dr. RM. Dr. Sugar. Dr. Jin. Dr. V. Oh, so they're doctors. Healing therapy. See, this is why I love BTS. They're all about, ARMY, make you feel better. Isn't that so cool? Yeah. Welcome to the Magic Shop. Any worries you'd like to share? Any wish you'd like to make come true? The Magic Shop will be your guidance. Imagine a door leading to your minds. What you want the most stands behind that door. Just believe and your magic shop will come true. Are you ready? I'll show you. 4 discs. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it looks really neat. 4 discs. Seoul, Seoul, Busan, Busan. And here again you have the actual track list. Practice film, D-Day. Alright, ooh, what do we have here? This looks cool. We got like a into the magic shop. Well, let's go. So it looks like this. Yeah, so we've got like a little box scene. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's cool. Anything else hiding in the box? Nope. Alright, let's get to the book. Into the Magic Shop. Fifth Muster, 2019. First store, Busan. It's a cool way of doing it. Into the Magic Shop, diagnosis, therapy, remedy, encore, behind. Cool. Alright, Busan. Alright, we got the concert pictures. Oh, that looks cool. I remember seeing this, but I haven't seen it in a while. So it's fresh again. Oh yeah, that looks cool. Back when we could actually see BTS in person. Oh, the good old days. 3/20/20. Sugar giving some sort of speech. Pouring a little tea. That's why these or the musters are fun. They're having a good time. Playing around. Oh yeah, wearing the old school gear. I love when the mic bombs or army bombs go red. Usually it's during mic drop, but I wonder what they're doing in this one. Forget what the track list said. Yeah, I love when they're wearing their hip hop stuff though. Very cool. Let me try and get it a little closer here. Kith. Sure, it's some really high name brand. Selfie on stage. Fun sunglasses. Supreme. Must be doing a rap track. Yeah, there's the three of the rappers. Jimin. Yeah, they must be doing a vocal line only one for that. Huh, I like J-Hope's outfit there. RM and Jin. V and Jungkook. Jungkook with the messy hair. Jimin. Cool rainbow lighting. Fireworks. Oh yeah. See, now's where they started, yeah, doing the fun stuff. Hand painted shirts, it looks like. J-Hope. RM. I like that RM Army. That's cool. I like Jin's look like that with the red headband, purple hair. It's a cool look. That's cool. Painted their own shirts, it looks like. Polo Sport. Man, I used to wear Polo Sport in the late 90s all the time. Taking a bow. Sound check. Looks like we're going to be headed to the, still in Busan here. Yeah, I'm just practicing. We're going to be heading to the Seoul show here. Boom, here we go. Ooh, yeah, RM. Nice. I get a lot of RM cards. That's awesome. It's my wife's bias. He's the leader. I always enjoy getting an RM card. Lyric Master. Jin, J-Hope. Jimin, V. Jungkook, V. Jimin, J-Hope, Suga, Jin, RM. Suga leading. Doing some dance practice. Yeah, this one's got some funny scenes in it. Yeah. And I wonder how much this gear cost. I like that look though. I always like when they're wearing the gold and black kind of hip hop style. Some of my favorites. Wearing old lady coats and pearls. Back to some rap style. Suga with the gloves. Yeah, I like Suga with the gloves. When Suga's got his gloves on, you know he's about to do some rapping. Got all the boys. Doing some funny stuff. That's a cool shirt. doing that Jimin. Doing the big heart. Big. That's cool. They got good stages over there in Korea. Japan too. Got nice big event centers ready for big shows. The US, you got to be more into a stadium. The sound in stadiums is not the best. Like, man, the sound in Chicago when they played their first winter show back in 2019 May, just before this, it was so cold, but the sound was not good at that stadium. But then at MetLife in New Jersey, just like a week later, man, that sound at that stadium was really good. So it's hit or miss here in the U.S. on the really big shows, but I have a feeling these Korean ones got some pretty good sound going on. We've got like the real... It's a cool little set they built there. Like how Sugar's just a bunch of paint splatters. Jin too. They get bored with some of the arts and crafts. You can see V did a cool face on his. Some black and white. Ooh, I really like that Air Jordan shirt Jin's got on. Got the stars on the arms. I love that. Alright, get down to the credits. Hitman Bang, executive producer as usual. Print Arana. They do all the printing, it looks like. Closed. Very cool. I really enjoyed this. That was a cool one. Can't wait to watch the DVDs now. Alright, let me know what your favorite part of this was. I'm excited to watch the DVDs next. I really liked this. I thought this was cool. I wonder if I don't think it moves side to side or anything, but I like the 3D nature of it. Pretty cool. So yeah, if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing was. And if you've seen it yet, what you loved the most about the show. And if you were there at the show, let me know what kind of fun you saw. And as usual, talk to you soon.